So until now we have declared the variables, initialized the variables like name is equal to Richard here itself and printed the variable. Now we will be asking the user to enter the any name, like it might be Richard, Robert, Peter, anything. Whatever the user enter, we will be printing out. For that, we will be writing name is equal to, there is a function input. Now if we press enter, it is asking the name. Now we can give Rich and print name Rich. But here the user will not see this command. We know that we should have to enter the name, but user will not see this command. So for that we should have to write name is equal to input, and inside the quotations write some meaningful like enter the name. Now user will see like enter the name. Now he will enter any name Richard. So but here it is not giving any space or that. For that we have the escape sequence input, enter the name, escape sequence, sorry I had pressed the enter, name is equal to input, inside the colon enter the name, escape sequence and n. This will place the cursor to the next line. See here, enter the name, the Richard is also the user enter is showing in the same line. So if you give the escape sequence to the new line, if press enter, so enter the name and it is giving the new line. Now he will write any name here and we can print the name using the function print. So or we can make it some better readability if enter the name colon and space. This will be better readability. Like see Richard, age is equal to input, enter the age colon space, enter the age 25. Now we can print the both in same as we have discussed. The name is, we should write comma name and age is comma age. The name is Richard and the age is 25. So if you want to, so this, because this ideal is for testing, we are getting like as soon as we press enter we are getting the result, but in the real time it will be placed together. First he will be entering the name and then enter the age will be displayed, he will be entering the age. After that this line will be getting executed and the output will be the name is Richard and the age is 25. This string will be printed out. So this is how we will be asking the user to enter the input values. Now let us see, a is equal to input. Once you know how to write, you can play around with, like number 1 is equal to, let us say 23. B is equal to input number 2 is equal to, let us say 45. Now we can print a plus b or a minus b according to the requirement. Here see it is printing 2345. Why it is printing? It is taking the input as a string. So for that, what we should have to do, as we have discussed, a plus b. We should have to first convert it. Now it will give the exact result. So this is how we ask the user to enter the name or any data and collect it into the variables and print out the result according to the requirement. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.